Hello, my dear children, and welcome back. It is so good to see all of you again. I know, exams are just around the corner, right? So today we're going to do a super quick revision of a very fun and easy chapter, Data Through Pictures. Let's make sure you are all set to get full marks in this one.
Look, I know that word exams can create a little bit of tension, but bilkul darna nahi. No fear when your favorite tutor is here. This chapter is so simple that after we finish this quick revision, you will feel absolutely confident. Let's aim for full marks together, okay?
All right, let's jump right in. Now, before we start drawing all these cool pictures and bars, we have to understand what it is we are showing. So the first, most basic question is, what exactly is data?
Now, don't get scared by this big word, data. It sounds very technical, no? But really, it's just a simple, fancy word for information. That's it. It's just a collection of facts, like maybe your marks in the last test or the number of chocolates in a jar. See, we deal with data every single day.
So how do we get this data? Well, have a look at our friends Samira and Kabir here. They just went around and asked their friends a simple question. Hey, how many hours do you watch TV every day? And all the answers that they collected, well, that's their data. They're just like little YouTube reporters, going around gathering information. Are va! How cool is that?
Okay, so now we have the data. But honestly, just looking at a long list of numbers, it can be a little boring, don't you think? So how can we make it more fun and easy to understand? Well, that's where pictographs come in. Basically, we let pictures tell the story. Let's see how with the story of Joseph Uncle.
So just imagine this, okay? Joseph Uncle has this amazing toy shop, and with summer holidays coming, he needs to count all his stock. So he starts counting. 1 train, 2 cars, 3 balls. But oh my goodness, there are so many toys and games. This is going to take him all day.
So here's the big problem. If Joseph Uncle has, say, 40 toy trains, does he really have to sit and draw 40 little pictures of a train? Huff, that would be so tiring, right? But, like I always tell you, tension nahi lene ka. There is a much smarter way to do this.
And the hero that saves the day, the magic trick for Joseph Uncle's problem, is a very important idea called scale. Now remember this word, beta. It is the secret key to solving all your exam questions on pictographs.
So what is this scale ka jadoo, this magic of scale? Just think of it like a secret code. We just decide that one picture doesn't mean just one thing. No, it can stand for many things. Maybe 2 things, or 5, or even 10, whatever we want. Ekdam simple hai na?
Now Joseph, Uncle's helper, Depeche, he had this super idea that shows this perfectly. He said, Uncle, let's just make 1 picture of a train mean 5 trains, and 1 picture of a board game will mean 5 board games. It's like a special offer for drawing, a draw 1, get 5 deal. And look, see how clean and easy this becomes? To find out the total number of toys, we just count the pictures. Let's see, there are 8 train pictures, and our magic scale says 1 picture is 5 items. So what is 8 times 5? Yes, it's 40. For board games, there are 6 pictures, so 6 times 5 is 30. That's the magic of scale, so much easier. Now, pictures are fantastic, but there's another really powerful way to show our data, and this one is great when you want to compare things really quickly. It's called a bar graph, and the main rule is so simple you'll never forget it. Taller is more. So on the left, we have Raman's way with pictures, and on the right, we have Sheila's way with a bar graph. Instead of drawing icons, she uses these bars. They look like tall buildings, don't they? And the best part is, you can see in 1 second which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Just look for the tallest bar. Taller bar always means a bigger number. Let's look closer at Sheila's bar graph, okay? At the bottom, we have all her activities, and on the side, we have the number of hours. Now, just by working, which bar is the tallest? That's right, the sleeping bar. It goes all the way up to 9. So she sleeps for 9 hours. And which is the shortest? The other activities bar, right? It's only at 2 hours. See how fast that was? We didn't have to calculate anything. All right, you've understood the concepts. You're all experts now. So it's time for the most important part. Chalo, let's crush some exam questions and get you ready for those full marks. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, here's our first practice problem. We have a pictograph showing two-wheelers. Now, tell me, what is the first thing you must always look for in a pictograph? Yes, you got it, the scale. Always look for the scale. In this one little scooter picture means 3 two-wheelers. Never, ever forget the scale.
So here's the question. How many fewer two-wheelers were seen on Wednesday than on Monday? All right, now it is your turn. I want you to pause right here, grab a notebook and pencil, and try to solve this yourself. Come on, don't be shy. You can do it. I'll be waiting right here for you.
Okay, are you back? Did you try it? Let's check our answer together. Step 1, for Monday, let's count. There are 9 scooter pictures. So 9 times our scale of 3 gives us 27. Good. Step 2, for Wednesday, there are 4 pictures. 4 times 3 is 12. And step 3, the question asks how many fewer, so that means we have to find the difference. We subtract. 27 minus 12 is 15. The answer is 15. Did you get it right? Are wah, I knew you could do it. Shabash.
Okay, one quick question on bar graphs now. Let's go back to Sheila's chart. Can you tell me how many more hours she spends studying compared to Raman? We know from the book that Raman studies for 2 hours. The answer is right there in front of you.
And there it is. Sheila's studying bar is at the number 3. Raman studies for 2 hours. So the difference between 3 and 2 is 1. Sheila studies 1 hour more. See? Bar graphs make comparing so fast and simple.
And just like that, we are done. We have covered the entire chapter. You have learned everything you need to know to get full marks. So let's just do a super quick recap, and then you'll be all set.
So what did we learn today? Let's remember. Number 1, data is just a simple word for information. Number 2, pictographs use pretty pictures and their superpower is the scale. Always check the scale. And number 3, bar graphs use tall bars to compare things, and the only rule you need to know is taller is bigger. That's it. Full chapter, done and dusted.
My dear children, you have worked so hard, Beta. Always remember how smart and capable you are. Just believe in yourself, stay calm during the exam, and you will do wonderfully. Go and make me proud, okay? All the very best for your exams. Goodbye for now.